think of it, baby?
That was hot.
Thank you, thank you.
Okay, she keep going every single night. Day and night, on my mind, pushing you to lie. Oh Lord, swear to God, I'm in my mind.
Today's the day. 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 Today's the day.
Flashback.
Check this out. Oof. 3-inch stainless steel inlet, 3-inch inlet, 3-inch outlet, dual tip Megan Racing blast pipes. That is sick. Alright, you guys, so we're putting some blast pipes on the Veloster. I have been waiting for this day for so long. I've had the blast pipes sitting in my room for maybe about a month and a half to 2 months, and we're finally getting around to doing that. As some of you might know, I made a video about it, but I never ended up posting it because I was gonna go with the blast pipe setup, so I thought there was no point in making double video. But I did do a muffler delete. It is currently straight piped, but it's just a resonator and muffler delete. And I had explained to the guy I went to I wanted a complete straight pipe. He had straight piped my Volkswagen Jetta that I had, my Nissan Altima that I had, so I assumed he'd be able to do the Veloster, but he was saying that it was too difficult and this and that. But honestly, I feel like he was just being lazy. So it's not straight pipe. It literally just, we removed the muffler and the resonator, and there's just like a 2-inch piping where those two units used to be, which kind of sucks because look, it doesn't really sound that great. It has more like a high-pitched tone where I want that deep rumble instead. But what we're doing today is I actually contacted a shop, and they're more than likely to do it because they were super excited about it. We're doing a complete 3-inch custom straight pipe from the catalytic converter back. So it's going to be a complete 3-inch straight pipe, and we're going to be throwing on some Megan Racing blast pipes that I have. So I'm super excited for that, super stoked. Can't wait to show you guys what it looks like. I do, however, have some old footage that I'm going to throw into the video. I have some footage of the Veloster stock, how it sounded when I would rev it, when I would drive, and the Veloster. I took some videos after the same day when I went ahead and did the muffler delete, well, the muffler resonator delete. So I'm gonna throw those videos in here. Keep in mind those videos are kind of old because I did record this a few months back. I just never posted it because I wanted to do the blast pipe video. So I'm gonna throw those videos in here, and I'm gonna show you guys what it sounds like stock, muffler resonator delete, and then complete 3-inch custom straight pipe. So stay tuned for that. So let me show you guys Megan Racing. This is what we're going to be throwing onto the Veloster. Damn, some straight blast pipes right there. You see the Megan Racing engravement 3-inch tip and 3-inch dual tip. Yeah, that's gonna be crazy. Look at the difference in that. Alright you guys, so really quick update for the Veloster. What we're going to be doing instead of the 3-inch straight pipe all the way around, we're doing a 2.5 from the cat back, and then a 2.5 converting to a 3-inch at the very end, connecting to the tip of the muffler, the blast pipe. Simply because of like piping costs and stuff like that, making all the 90-degree angles, but that's still going to be pretty cool. I'm really excited for that. Straight pipe from the cat back, and currently the pipe I have on right now is, so currently the piping I have on there at the moment is 1.4 inches. I thought it was 2 inches, but we're gonna go ahead and do the 2.5 converting to a 3. So the new muffler tips did not fit at all through the beauty rings, so we had to go ahead and remove it. Oh, that's crazy.
This is what Chicali Mufflers does, okay? Es lo que hacemos aquí en Chicali Mufflers.
Woo! Yeah. Damn. Super satisfied with how this came out. It definitely does have a deeper grumble to it. It's not really like loud like a Honda Civic per se. But wow, this is amazing. Like I wasn't really, I didn't know what to expect, you know, but it sounds so cool. It's a lot deeper. It looks hella cool, you know. Wow, I'm so satisfied right now. I forgot that I was driving like this because the exit for that place is super steep, so I have to air up even more. But it sounds really cool. It doesn't have that nasty drone anymore, and it does, when it backfires, that shit is loud. Like, that is loud, crazy. Oh man, I'm so excited. And then one thing that I love is when you're driving at really low RPMs, you literally cannot even hear the exhaust, which is a plus because I actually got pulled over maybe a week ago for my exhaust. Luckily they let me go with just a warning. They told me to fix it, but yet here I am straight piping my car. But no, seriously, it does, like, it made it quiet on really low RPMs, which is really good because usually when I see a cop, it's on the streets, not really on the freeway. So yeah, I mean, that's a plus in my book. It's definitely a plus that it sounds deeper. I'm at a red light right now, but I'll push it a little bit just so you guys can hear. It sounds pretty sick. And we're gonna go into a garage. I'm gonna show you how it sounds going up. Okay, hold on. So definitely deeper. I'm gonna show you guys what it sounds like going up the garage, maybe do a few revs in the garage or maybe a pull, and then I'm actually gonna show you guys the before and after videos I was talking about, so stay tuned for that. All right, we're gonna do a slight pull when we get a little higher. Y'all hear that? Yeah, we setting off alarms now. Every time I would come up this garage with my old setup, none of the cars went off, and I was kind of sad. I wanted them to go off, and now that was on me. You already know we had to get some food up in this. Alright you guys, so we're gonna go check out the Veloster. I'm gonna get my girlfriend's reaction. Didn't tell her what I was doing, just gave her a heads up that I was gonna be recording her. So, kind of excited. Damn, look at you, all beautiful and shit. Oh my god, hey, look at me, baby girl. Ooh, shit, you so beautiful. Alright.
Where do I go?
Just keep going that way, the way that you're going. Keep going, keep going.
Oh, nice, stickers. Wow, what? That's fucking sick. That is so cool.
Yeah, I finally threw it on.
Finally. That's so cool.
Oh, thank you.
Well, they're really cool.
What? Oh, the dog?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, you ready?
Okay, but I want to hear it when it's driving.
Yeah. Alright. You ready, baby?
So I was like, ooh.
Alright, there you guys have it. Nothing too crazy, but it is definitely louder than just the resonator and muffler delete. It's not absurd, it's not like obnoxiously crazy, but it is a lot louder. When I had the muffler and resonator delete and I was driving down the street, absolutely nothing would happen. But now, ever since I have the 2.5-inch full straight pipe from the cap backs, with the blast pipes, I do set off car alarms, which I think is pretty funny and I think it's pretty cool. It is definitely a lot louder when I'm driving, but I love that it doesn't drone. There's like a little safe zone between 2,500 RPM. It's completely quiet. So if I'm driving on the freeway and I'm next to a police officer or something, then they don't even notice me. Whereas before, it was just kind of drony all the time, no matter what RPM I was in. And I actually got pulled over before I did my blast pipes, they told me that my exhaust was too loud. Luckily, they just let me go, and I still went ahead and made it louder. But yeah, I think it's pretty cool that it has like a little safe zone. And I mean, driving comfort is obviously cool. You know, it's not, like I said, it's not too drony on the inside of the cabin, but it does pop every now and then, and I think that's super cool. That's what I'm like most excited about. But that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up, share this video, subscribe if you haven't already. Check out my Instagram. We're almost at 1,000 followers, so I'm planning on doing a 1,000 followers, not dollars, 1,000 follower giveaway. And yeah, so stay tuned for that, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bro, I don't know if you guys hear that car alarm, but that was me. That's so cool. Alright, so I'm gonna drive it a little bit, show you guys what it sounds like. Okay, I don't even know if you could see it. Okay. You're so cute. We'll just stop. Oh, once it turns green. That one wasn't as loud. I put it on sport mode thinking it would be extra loud, but